fuck that shit. Look at him, man. Now that you've been out the joint about 2 weeks, don't you think it's about time you gave me my money?
I told you I ain't had your money yet, man.
Fuck you mean you ain't got my money yet? Motherfucker, everybody know you hid the money from that robbery before you went upstate.
I told you, motherfucker, I ain't got your money yet, man.
What the fuck you mean you ain't got the money yet? Motherfucker, you best be coming up with my cash help, you know what I'm saying?
Fuck you, Dad. Fuck you think you is, man? Motherfucking Ron O'Neal or something? Talking about I better pay her help. It's your bitch, nigga. What you gonna do?
What I'm gonna do? Hey, hold up, Ted. Now get the fuck out the way.
No, squeeze that shit, man. What, I'm supposed to be scared now because you got a pistol, motherfucker? I just spent 5 motherfucking years in the joint. I told you I'll pay your monkey ass when I feel like it. Better suck my dick.
Tad, what the fuck, man? What the fuck you tripping off of?
You owe me some money, motherfucker!
Man, hell no, but here you go.
Yeah. Ay. Yeah.
Proceed, hey, bro.
Ay. I keep the dope in the microwave. I get that money all kind of ways. Pimp on the business, soprano shades. You can hit me any time of day. Yeah. Ay. I keep the dope in the microwave. I get that money all kind of ways. Pimp on the business, soprano shades. You can hit me any time of day. Yeah. Ay.
Hey, ho. Yeah, make a phone call, tell them roll on through. Got 3 bad hoes in a photo coupe. Smoking on perp, blowing dodos too. All my hoes go to work, ain't nothing don't do. Pull up on Vun, what a polo do. Got a real big gun and a 442. Kick a nigga ass on no kung fu. Hard body bit the land like a Ford truck do. Got pyro niggas in the 8-2. Got niggas in the 6 bank blood gang too. Crip Holland Hood, they kid folk too. Kush hit hard like Kimbo do. Bitch going low like Limbo do. That top toe slop on my bus on you. Bounce on the pop for a big go do. Glad nigga got dropped, we ain't called no truth. I'm in the trap house, you know I'ma trap it out. Chasing them out, stacking my bank account. You know what I'm about, hater gon' sit it pat. If you was broke, I suggested you walk it out. She has to sew with me. Sorry, I love the street. Too busy with the key. Backing up on the speed. So many jewels and jizz out the Mr. Cream is all I can see while I'm on TOP. Go get it. I am committed, finessing the plug, I done did it. Stop all the ghosts in it, boy, we still winning. You call it defending while we sit back grinning. Fucking new women while bankrolls is pinning. Just bought me $1 million just for its opinion. I'm on the new level, sounding just like a new bezel. Don't get too close, I serve you metal.
I keep the dope in the microwave. I get that money all kind of ways. Pimp on the business, soprano shades. You can hit me any time of day. Yeah. Ay. I keep the dope in the microwave. I get that money all kind of ways. Pimp on the business, soprano shades. You can hit me any time of day. Yeah.
What the fuck you talking about? Niggas talking so dumb, nigga, got go in your mouth. Nigga, real shit, real. It's that Byzantine $1 billion bill on the hill. Nigga smoking on that hill, nigga. It's that grape pun. Nigga, I'm off the dome. Nigga, what you talking about? Nigga, come get you some. Come on. It's that real shit, that pimpin' shit. Yeah, shining diamonds on my fucking wheel.
I call me a plate, don't mention it, nigga. Pack on the way, I'm mixing it, nigga. Sick in the kitchen, I'm whipping and blending. Busting it down, running some 50s. Fresh out of jail and sky is the limit. Bitch, I'm on bail, them charges were pending. Working the scale, I keep them addicted. My lawyer, he winning, I hope he dismiss it. Week in the cell, almost got me evicted. Running from 12, my neighbor was bitches. Jake on my line, yeah, I'm trapping, let's get it. Whipping and dipping and serving the city. Chopping that work like a sensei. With the white girl like OJ. To the beat that's dropping the microwave. Got the whole block nigga like a heat wave.
I keep the dope in the microwave. I get that money all kind of ways. Pimp on the business, soprano shades. You can hit me any time of day. Yeah. I keep the dope in the microwave. I get that money all kind of ways. Pimp on the business of product shades. You can hit me any time of day. Yeah, yeah. Ayy, ayy. It's Dodda, yeah, for real nigga. Ayy, ayy. Started out with a quarter pack. Then I turned into a lumberjack. I'm just trying to get the quota back. Pimpin' on him like I'm Goldie Mac. On the corner with a loaded Mac. I'm a stoner, I'm a smoker pack. I'm alone and need no company. Keep a 2 to 3 up under me. I started off in the trenches. Most of you niggas was riding them benches. Don't want no money, they friendly. Dodda, I'm trying to come slide in the Bentley. Niggas be talking about pimpin'. Dodda been doing this shit for a century. Niggas be talking about winning. This type of shit don't consider no feelings. Selling dope in the hallway. Getting money like all day. Niggas hating like always. Selling work in the south base. Put the story on the front page. Niggas stuck on one stage. Started off from the front stage. Pimp a bitch on the one way.
Clean guard, my stomping ground. EPs where I took out. Started off with a quarter pair. Ended up with a thing south. I been the boss, I jumped in. Dropped the deuce, made twins. Same still, no Pyrex, no microwave, I'm all in.
I keep the dope in the microwave. I get that money all kind of ways. Pimp on the business of product shades. You can hit me any time of day. Yeah, yeah, ayy, ayy, yeah, yeah, ayy, ayy. I keep the dope in the microwave. I get that money all kind of ways. Pimp on the business of product shades. You can hit me any time of day. Yeah, yeah, ayy, ayy, yeah, yeah, ayy, ayy.
Hater heard a bitch.